Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, remove the helmet and power it off to avoid accidental activation. Once done, position it face down on a soft mat so the lens assembly is accessible. This protects the auto-darkening cover. Use a small Phillips to remove the outer retaining screws. Keep them in a small container so they don't roll away. You're exposing the battery compartment behind the front cover. Make sure to note orientation of the housed battery, so replacement matches polarity and fits snugly. Now focus on the middle steps. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 and inspect the contact surfaces. You want to clean corrosion or dust. Use a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol and let it evaporate. Once clean, insert the new CR 2032 with the positive side matching the original orientation. This matters because reverse polarity can damage the circuit. Press the battery flat so the contacts engage fully. Then test the snap fit. If the housing has a spring clip, finish the job by replacing the lens cover and reinstalling the screws. Tighten evenly and don't over-torque to avoid cracking the plastic. Power the helmet on and perform an auto-dark test by exposing it to a light source or a small arc in a safe setting. Observe response time and shade change. If it fails, make sure the battery is seated and oriented correctly, re-clean contacts, and inspect for loose wires or cold solder joints. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most non-functional issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.